So this is our first question. The question is an impure sample of silver which is having 1.5 gram, this is mass which is given, is heated with sulfur to form 0.24 gram of Ag2S. What was the percent yield of Ag2S, right? So we have to find out like percentage yield of Ag2S. First we'll need to write the reaction first. The reaction would be uh, Ag plus S gives Ag2S, and this is twice, right? So for what we will do, like we will find out the molecular formula mass, like molecular mass of the compounds. So for silver it is 108, which is multiplied by 2, this gives 216 grams, right? And it forms like here the molecular mass will be 248. So we can get one relation like this much gram of silver mixed with sulfur gives 248 gram of Ag2S, right? So 1.5 gram will form how much? Like 1.5 much gram require how much? Right, so we will find the value of X, which is nothing but the amount of Ag2S when 1.5 gram is used. So this will give us like 248 divided by 216 multiplied by 1.5, right? So so the value will be 1.722, right? The value will be 1.722. And for the percentage, right? Percentage is like nothing but the percentage mass. This formula is the mass of the element in that compound divided by the molecular mass of that compound. So this is like nothing but 1.24, which is given in our question itself, and this value what we have got, it is nothing but 1.722 multiplied by 100. So this will give us 7.2%. It is nothing but option B is right. So this is our next question. The question is, what volume of 5 molar Na2SO4 must be added to 25 ml of 1 molar BaCl to produce 10 gram of BaCl? Right. So first, what we have to find out exactly the volume of Na2SO4. So what we will do, we'll find out the number of moles of BaSO4 with the help of this mass. So number of mole is mass by molar mass. So mass is 10, molar mass is 233. This will give us 0.0429. And then we have to find out like 5 molar. Molar is nothing but the mass what is given. Then molarity. So for we have to find out the number of moles of Na2SO4 is equal to mass into volume by 1000. This is the standard formula. And one more thing what I have forgotten is we have to write down the reaction first. That is nothing but Na2SO4 plus BaCl2 gives BaSO4 plus NaC. So this directly indicates that this and this are equal in ratio. So the number of moles will be equal also. So it will be 0.0429, which is equal to molarity is given, which is 5. Multiply by volume divided by 1000. So we have to find out a volume. Volume will be 8.58 gram. Sorry, ml. So option A is right for this. So this is our next question. The question what is given is like 4.88 gram of KClO3 when heated produces 1.92 gram of oxygen and 2.96 gram of KCl2. Sorry, KCl. So which of the following statement is correct according to this? So first we will write out the reaction, which is KClO3 decomposes in two sections, which is KCl and O2. So we have to balance the equation. So here, so this mass is like 4.88. This is nothing but 1.92. This is nothing but 2.96. 96. So as we will add this both, so it will be equivalent to 4.88 as LHS and RHS both are equal. So this will indicate directly the law of conservation of mass. So option A is right. So this is our next question. The question is the following data are obtained when dinitrogen and nitrogen react together to form different compounds. So these all are the ratios, and after reaction this data will give same number of reactant as that of product. So the masses are equivalent or balanced. So option A will be right for this as the law of conservation of mass. This is our next question. The question is what mass of sodium chloride would be decomposed? What mass of sodium chloride would be decomposed? Just a minute. Yeah. So here the sodium chloride would is decomposing by this much amount of sulfuric acid into sodium bisulfide and hydrogen chloride. So first we will write out the reaction what it is. Sodium chloride is nothing but NaCl plus H2SO4 and it gives sodium bisulfide is nothing but NaHSO4 plus hydrogen chloride, which is nothing but HCl, right? So the amounts are given for sodium chloride, it is 9.8, sulfuric acid is 12, NaCO3, sorry, sodium chloride is not given, this is 9.8 and this is 12 gram and this is 2.75 according to the question. So you have to find out the amount of NaCl. This is directly apply the law of conservation of mass. Is nothing like x will be what 12 plus 2.75 divided by 9.8. So this will give us sorry, not divide by this after subtract by 9.8. So this will give us around 4.95. So option C is